stop the crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry.
Birthday mo, Danny! Hi, Mang Danny! Mang Danny, nameless, ay, sorry, napulfill mo na yung kung ano yung hinahanap mo na happiness sa life mo. And I hope, yeah, it's there na, di ba? Focus ka lang sa anak mo, sa kung sino yung nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon, di ba? At, andito lang kami mga KP for you, and we miss you so much, we love you. At palagi, God bless you, Danny. I love you, Danny.
So yun, happy birthday sa'yo, Danny. Ayan, balita ko birthday mo daw ngayon. So happy birthday. Kung hindi naman tayo masyadong close, pero dahil birthday mo, napaputusan lang. Happy birthday na din sa'yo. And sana ma-enjoy mo itong araw na to, okay? Always do good. And sana mas maging close pa tayo someday. Iwasan ang pagtitikol.
Happy birthday to you. You're amazing, Mami Danny. I wish you all the best on your birthday. I love you so much. Wish ko sa'yo, Mami Danny, mag-iingat ka lang, stay sexy, healthy, alam mo na. At nandito lang ako para sa'yo, Mami ko. Salamat sa pagiging mabuti mong kaibigan at pagiging isang ina. At lagi mong tandaan, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Mamahalin kita ng lubos-lubusan. Wala na tanong-tanong. Happy birthday, enjoy your day.
Danny Mapanghi. Oh, baka. Happy birthday, Ma'am Danny. Thank you for being a good friend to me, man. And ang wish ko is more birthdays and blessings to come, and good health and long life. Sana lahat ng wish mo is matupad, and laban lang tayo sa mga hamon ng buhay. Let's go, fight.
Ate Danny! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Ingat ka palagi. I miss you. See you soonest. Love you.
Ate Danny, happy birthday sa'yo. Miss ka na ni Iso mong bunso. Pasensya na. Ay lang napagparang ka sa birthday mo, joke. Love you.
Hi, Ate Danny. Merry Christmas and Happy New... Ha? Birthday ba? Birthday lang pala eh. Huwag na. Eh, pila na ko, Ate Danny. Wala na ko, Sino ba to? Ay, sorry. Hindi, joke lang. Ate Danny, happy birthday. Sige, bati-bati. Makailangan ng mga ganun eh. Happy birthday, Ate Danny. More blessings to come, no? And thank you for the friendship, no? Kahit di pa ganun kahaba yung friendship natin, I know na totoo kang tao. And yung mga pag-usapan natin, Ate Danny, alam mo na yun. Laban lang, no? Pagka may problema, chat mo lang ako. Alam mo yan. Ako sa'yo, laban na natin. Happy birthday, Ate Danny. Miss you.
Hi, Bebe Danny! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day, Beb! I love you!
Hi, Danny Pat. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. And enjoy your special day. And sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals mo and happiness mo. Yun, enjoy your special day with your loved ones and your family and friends. Bye, ingat!
Happy birthday, Danny Pad. On your special day, I just want you to know how much you mean to me. You are a true gem, kind, strong, and full of light. I'm so grateful for your friendship and for all the beautiful moments that we've shared, especially in the People Life Philippines. May your year be filled with lessons, laughter, and everything your heart desires. Keep shining and never stop being the amazing person I've ever known. I love you always.
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best po and always take care. Stay pretty, Ma'am Danny pa. Love you. From Ma'am Camille.
So, yun na nga. Happy birthday sa Danny kong mahal. I hope you're doing good, doing great. And nandito ko lagi para makausap mo sa iMessage. Alam mo na. Happy birthday. I love you always, and see you soon. Thank you. Okay na yan. Okay na to.
Ate Danny! Happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan. Ingat ka palagi at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Bibilisan ko lang, hindi ka papatagalin. Mahal ka namin. Yun lang. Happy birthday, love you!
Ayan, Mama Danny, happy 18th birthday sa'yo. This is Atisa. Charis. Ayun, happy 18th birthday, Mama Danny. I miss you and I love you. I hope you're okay lang and safe every day. And yan, enjoy your special day, Mama Danny. And namimiss ko na yung tawang mong manok. Parinig naman dyan na isang tawang manok. Charis, ayun. Happy birthday, Mama Dani. I miss you and I love you. And I can wait to meet you again soon at marinig ko na ulit yung tawang manok mo sa personal. Enjoy your special day, Mama Dani. Again, this is Maria Atisa Manalo of BFs. Happy birthday. I miss you. I love you, Mama.
Hello, Ate Dani. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. More birthday. Love.
Hello, Danny. Happiest birthday sa'yo. Wish you a good health and more birthdays to come. Lagi mong tatandaan, nandito lang ako palagi. Nandiyan ka din kasi palagi sa akin para magbigay ng mga advice. So, laban lang tayo sa buhay, ha? Problema lang yan. So, dadaan lang yan. So, kaya natin lahat lagpasan. Yeah, enjoy your birthday. Happy lang tayo palagi. See you soon.
Daddy ko. Happy birthday. I miss you. God bless. God bless. Band na tayo soon. Miss na kita.
Hi, Ate Dani! I am Maton and happy birthday. Today's your day. Wish ko lang sa'yo ay good health and more blessings to come and more friends to come. And thank you sa ating friendship kasi napakabait mo in person and through live. Kahit sa screen lang tayo nakikita before, at least nag-meet na tayo. And hope to see you soon ulit. And I miss you. I love you, mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yan. I love you, Ate Dani, and happy birthday again. I love you. God bless you. Mahal na mahal kita.
Happy birthday, Ate Dani. More birthdays to come. God bless you. I love you always.
Ay, saan may cellphone ko? Ito. Ano ba to? Uy, Happy! Ikaw pala yan. Kamusta ka na? Charis. Happy Mother's Day and happy birthday. 35. Charis. Ayun, happy Mother's Day and happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Very, very best. Charis. And sana mag-ingat ka palagi. Always pray to God. And I love you and we love you. You're the best mother in the world. Alam mo yan. And yun lang. Love you. Happy birthday and happy Mother's Day.
Ay, Ate Dani, happy birthday. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Wish you all the best and see you soon. I miss you so much. Enjoy your birthday.
Hello, Dani. Happiest birthday sa'yo. And I hope lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay and yung mga problems mo is okay na. Dito lang ako palagi, alam mo yan, no matter what happen. I love you always. Ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo at ang pamilya mo and more blessings sa iyo at sa inyo. And see you soon. Sana makapag-banding tayo, makapag-chikahan. I miss you so much and I love you. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa napaka-sexy at napakaganda kong ate sa BFs and GFs squad. Ayan, I know you've been through a lot of difficulties, challenges, and rejections. At alam ko na lahat ng paghihirap mo at lahat ng pinagdaanan mo ay magbubunga din someday. Ayan, just enjoy your day today, Ate Dani. I hope to see you soon again and I love you.
Here, don't you cry, 'cause you